Okay, welcome back to this Singer Model 201-2. Again, an amazing machine born on September 3rd, 1952. And again, this machine is everything about power, but also everything about control too, as you saw in the applique that we sewed on this machine. But what we're going to demonstrate now is the strength of the machine. Again, with that direct drive motor, this is upholstery grade vinyl. Very, very tough stuff to pierce. You'll primarily see it in commercial settings. I've seen it used on couches where there's a lot of traffic, where it really has to stand up to a lot of wear. And whenever you're looking at something that has that durability factor, like this upholstery grade vinyl, you're looking at a very high piercing point. And as usual, we could sew just one or two layers of this to show the strength. We're going to do a total of 5 layers of this upholstery grade vinyl. I'm going to go ahead and group it together and show you the thickness from the side. Take a look at the thickness of that, and that's not just a light textile. That in and of itself would be impressive. This is upholstery grade vinyl, so you know that the piercing point to get through this many layers and that thickness is an awesome task. But follow me down to the needle and I'll show you what this 201-2 can do with a task of this multitude. I'm going to apply that hyperextension just to make it a little bit easier to go underneath that presser foot. We probably could have snuck it through there, but again, the beauty of this machine with that hyperextension, you're not limited by the thickness of what you want to sew. Alright, here we go. 5 layers of very thick upholstery grade vinyl. An easy task for this machine. No difficulty whatsoever. Let me give it a quick clip. Clippers, I think, are getting a little bit dull there. And apart from the fact that I decided to make a neat little curve like a mountain there, look at the quality of the stitch. It's a gorgeous stitch in every respect. And if I turn it vertically, we've got an equally beautiful top stitch with the stitch spacing, the stitch formation, just spot on. Beautiful. And an equally gorgeous lock-in stitch also. I'm going to turn it to the side and kind of stretch it back a little bit so you can see this machine has so much power with that direct drive motor. It really pierces the material, even upholstery grade vinyl like this. And yet in piercing it, look at the fact that there's no distortion of that stitch quality whatsoever. And again, it just points to the difference of the power of that direct drive motor. This Singer 201, anything that we put in front of it, it sews like a breeze.